Go to office.com and click the sign in button in the top right. Sign in with your email, and then once you're done, click next. Click next. Enter your password, and then once you're done, click sign in. Click next. Click next. Click pair your account to the app by clicking this link. Click open, and then you will see your account in the Microsoft Authenticator. Click next. Go back to the Microsoft Authenticator and enter the code. Click next. Enter your phone number. Click next. And then paste the code. Click next. Click next. And you're done.